I don't know what I've done here. What happened? Hi everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have a huge Funko Pop haul. What? I know. I don't know what happened. I lost my mind. I went overboard. Actually, I have a theory about what did happen. It was probably Friday night. I was probably working. I probably had a couple glasses of wine, had some Days or Dateline on, had some cheese, and I was like, let's just play on the internet. And Hot Topic had all of these Funko Pops for pre-order, and I was like, yes, add to cart, yes, add to cart. And then I think I probably just couldn't narrow it down, and I got all of them. This one is larger than I thought, so that was a surprise. We'll open this guy last. We have 4 others. I am going to start with the one that is not Disney. Now, if you know me personally, then you probably already know that I love Britney Spears. I love Britney Spears. Actually, one of my big Christmas presents a few years ago was from Mike, and it was a VIP table at her show in Vegas, and I went out with a few of my friends and we had the best time. It was recently brought to my attention that there are Britney Spears Funko Pops. I was like, well, I have to have those. So I bought one, and I've subsequently bought others. Eat all of them. But this is my very first Britney Spears Funko Pop. You ready? Okay, so one of the songs that I think is underrated is Circus. So my very first Britney Spears Funko Pop is the Circus Pop. And they sent me the chase. I don't know if you can see, but she has this glittery hat on. That's what makes her the chase. This might be sacrilege, but I collect these for me. So I'm going to take her out of the box. I'm already so excited. Turns out I don't know how to get her out of the box. Oh my gosh, she is fantastic. So, look at this perfection. She is wearing her Ringmaster's outfit. She has her little microphone and her little whip, and she has the glittery hat, which is what makes her the chase. Oh, I'm so excited to have her. So that is pop number 1. I thought that it would not be very exciting, so we would start there, but I was wrong. I am absolutely in love. All right, I'm just gonna reach and grab pop number 2. It says what it is on the box, but I'm just gonna try not to look. And it looks. So this was a pre-order. The spoiler alert, the rest of them are all villains. It is the Evil Queen. It is part of this villains set with the Evil Queen and Lady Tremaine, Captain Hook, Maleficent, Cruella, and Dr. Facilier. Let's pop her out, shall we? I had a much easier time with that. Not as dumb as I thought. Gosh. All right, time out. Prior to this crazy haul, we had very few Funkos. I don't collect Funko Pops. We have the set of Splash Mountain ones. We have a Ron Swanson from Parks and Rec because Mike loves him. We have a Doc Holliday from Tombstone I got as a gift because I love him. I have a Jan Levinson one that I also got as a gift because I love The Office. And then I have two that I got through the Pins and Pops box swap that Cami over at Key to Disney hosts. One is of my boyfriend, Mando, and then the other is of his son, Baby Goats. So, I mean, we have a few, but I wouldn't consider us collectors. I like officially doubled our collection, pretty much. All right, so pop number 2 is my friend, the Evil Queen. She's got her little raven and her poison. Yes, her little potion. Or if you've seen my Days of the Week pin tag, it's like green wine. She's got her little spell book. Look at her. Oh my gosh. How amazing. Look at the detail in that. Love her. Okay, pop number 2. Pop number 3. Look again. It's my good friend, Lady Tremaine. And she comes with a bonus friend right down there. Let's get her out to see her up close. I'm still so excited I got that Britney chase. That's crazy, I was not expecting that. So here's Lady Tremaine, looking very smug. Rucifer, also looking smug. She has her little cane, and then on the bottom, I don't know if you can see that, but that is the glass slipper. From when she sticks her cane out and trips the Archduke and he breaks the glass slipper. That's why they look so smug. Like, we'll show that Cinderella. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ah. All right, and the last of the small pops. You saw the ones on the back, so you can probably guess which one this is. If you know me and follow my channel, you probably could have guessed what all of these were, quite honestly. I have favorites, I do play favorites. So this one is Meffy. Maleficent's been my favorite since I was little. I just always thought it was really cool that she turned into a dragon. She's so elegant. I think that's why these are my 3 favorite villains. I think they all kind of exude elegance, and I mean, they're graceful for villains. I admire that about them. So here we have Meffy. She has Diablo with her and her staff. Look, her beautiful cape, the detail on that. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Okay, so real talk. I understand why you guys are really into this because look how cute they are. All right, our last pop. Last but certainly not least. Any guesses? So I very clearly was not reading the descriptions very well. I was looking at pictures, I guess, because when this box came, I was like, I have no idea what that is. Why is it in such a large box? And then I went back and read. It's a giant pop. Oops. But I don't regret it. I had to have it. I don't know why they packaged it upside down, but they did. Are you guys ready for this? So, Snuffy is a dragon! Okay. So what are these? 10-inch pops? Is that what they are? Oops. It's a happy little accident because I love it. How to get her out, she's so big. Just kidding, I'm not gonna throw at the cats here. Here she is. Oh my gosh. Look at this perfection. She's surrounded in her green fire, her wings, and her little chest there are metallic. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but they're metallic. This is like a metallic lavender, and this is a deeper purple. The detail on her horns. Oh my gosh. How amazing is this? Oh my gosh, I need to get a hold of my life or I'm gonna end up divorced. So thank you guys for tuning in. Which of these 5 pops was your favorite? Do you have any of these pops? Do you collect pops? Let me know down in the comments. I can't decide which one's my favorite. I love them all so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.